Locksmith Near Me, New Westminster. If you're locked out and need keys and need a locksmith in New Westminster, call Mr. Locksmith. Mr. Locksmith, New Westminster. If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, car lockout, call Mr. Locksmith, New Westminster. Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change, Mr. Locksmith, New Westminster. Vancouver is there to help. If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. Mr. Locksmith, New Westminster does commercial and residential services. House lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. You lost your keys to your mailbox, we can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. Mr. Locksmith, New Westminster is your complete locksmithing service. We have 24-hour Locksmith, New Westminster service, mobile locksmith, New Westminster, and emergency locksmith for the City of Vancouver. If you need an automotive locksmith, keys locked in your car, we are your car locksmith, New Westminster. Keys locked inside the vehicle, or you've lost your keys, we can make the car key made on site. We have a mobile automotive locksmith, New Westminster. Mr. Locksmith is your locksmith near me, New Westminster, BC. Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. Abloy, Primus, Slage, Weiser, Kwikset, Ingersoll Rand, Multilock, Assa, Medico, Abloy. If you're locked out of your safe and you can't get in, we specialize in opening safes that you can't get open. If you're locked out of your Sentry safe, call Mr. Locksmith, New Westminster. We can open that safe easily and quickly. So for a locksmith near me, New Westminster, BC, call Mr. Locksmith.